Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do my 3D mermaid tails. If you're interested in seeing this video, please continue to watch. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And smash the post notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and get into it. The first thing that I did was I took the backing of a nail form, and I used the waxy side, and I just kind of sketched out what I want my the size and the shape that I want my tail to be, or one of the fins to be. And then I take some clear acrylic, and I just use like a small amount of it just so to be a thin base, because there is a lot of layers to this. And so once I put the clear acrylic down, I just fill out the little space that I sketched. Okay, right now I'm just taking my brush and cleaning up anything that may have gotten outside of the lines that I sketched. And I'm also just trying to make sure that the lines, the actual lines of the fin are as smooth as possible. There aren't any jagged pieces or anything like that, just to make my shaping and cleaning up a little bit easier. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this purple that I mixed up, and I'm just going to like mush that into the clear. And I'm not really covering the whole area because I will be adding more colors, and I'll be adding glitters as well to this little fin. Okay, and right here, I'm just going to be repeating those steps and making sure that I draw or sketch this other part of the fin in the opposite direction that I did the first one, so they will actually lay right. Yeah, so I'm just going to let you guys watch this part, and then I will come back and explain when it comes to the next step. Okay, so I'm going to set those to the side, and right now what I'm going to be doing is just drawing the body part of the tail, I guess you would call it. And you can do these as straight lines and like an elongated V, or you can also add the curve into it, and that is what I ended up doing. I went ahead and sketched the fin parts of the tail because I wanted to make sure that the body and the fins would be kind of cohesive, like they will all fit together. And I'm just literally going to repeat the same steps that I did for the fins on the tail. Okay, so right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and attach the fins to the tail. I'm gonna just push those right into the wet acrylic. Now you could also file the sharp edges off of these fins before you place them. It's totally up to you. But once I put these down in the acrylic, I'm also gonna take a clear bead of acrylic and I'm just gonna put it right where everything meets, and then I'm going to add the purple, the green, and the glitters that I added for the whole tail right into this bead so everything seems a little cohesive and they all flow together. Okay, and this is what we have so far. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my file and clean up these little sharp bits that you can see on the tail and on the fins. You don't have to use a lot of pressure, you're just literally going in and cleaning up everything that is sharp. And you can also go in and define the shape just a little more. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is take this clear builder gel from Savvyland. I'm just going to place that all over the tail, and then I'm going to place it into the lamp for about a minute and a half just to make sure that everything is cured because it was a thick layer. Okay, so right here I'm going to be showing you the one that I did previously, and the only thing that I did to attach this was just place a bead of clear acrylic, and I placed it down into that, and I held it for a few seconds, and I added a little bit of embellishments right around the tail and where it connects, and that is it for this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.